Welcome to this quick training walkthrough of the new Zoho SalesIQ user experience. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to navigate the updated interface and make the most of your live customer engagement tools. Let's begin with the top navigation bar. Here, the new SalesIQ UX organizes your key modules clearly across the top, making it easier to move between them. You have access to Live View, My Chats, All Chats, Visitors, Outbound, Calls, Feedback, Reports, Canned Replies, FAQs, Articles, Small Talk, UAQs, and your profile. This layout keeps everything within a single glance, ensuring you switch between tasks without losing time. Now let's explore the Live View, which is the heart of SalesIQ. At the center, you'll see a visual visitor tracking radar. This radar displays all active visitors on your website in real time. Visitors are grouped by rings based on engagement level. Those closer to the center have spent more time or shown higher intent, making it easier for you to prioritize whom to engage first. On the right panel, you'll see your visitor status. If no visitors are online, the system clearly indicates that. When visitors do appear, you can sort and prioritize them by time spent, page count, location, or custom rules, helping you focus on high-value opportunities. In the top right corner of the Live View, the new layout controls give you the flexibility to switch between Radar View, List View, or Grid View. This allows you to choose the format you're most comfortable working with. The bottom navigation pane offers quick access to your home screen, analytics, applications, settings, and Smart Chat, ensuring you're never more than one tap away from essential tools. Across the platform, menus, icons, and controls have been modernized for clarity and speed, making navigation straightforward and reducing the number of clicks needed to take action. With the new SalesIQ UX, you can monitor visitors, manage conversations, access your content library, and analyze performance more efficiently than ever. And that completes our 2-minute tour of the redesigned SalesIQ interface. The new layout is faster, cleaner, and built to help you engage website visitors with confidence and speed. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.